In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Zoom meeting invite easily and efficiently. Whether you're organizing a team meeting, a friendly catch-up, or a business briefing, sharing your meeting details accurately is crucial. Let's dive right in and explore how you can do this in just a few simple steps. First, let's get started by navigating to your Zoom dashboard. Once you're logged in, the first action you want to take is to click on the Meetings tab. You'll find this option on the left side of your screen, usually located in the Zoom Home menu. This section is your command center for all scheduled meetings. It's where you manage your upcoming appointments, see past meetings, and ensure everything is set up correctly. After you've clicked on Meetings, look for the specific meeting you want to share. Find your scheduled meeting and click on it to bring up more options. Once you've opened the meeting details, click on the Edit button. This action allows you to make any necessary changes or updates to your meeting settings before sharing. While editing, consider checking the basic details like the time, date, and additional settings to ensure everything is just right for your invitation. Now that you've reviewed and confirmed the details, it's time to make sure these settings are saved. Therefore, click on Save. This step is crucial because it ensures that any edits or tweaks you made are updated and won't be left out when you send the invitation. It also confirms that your meeting is ready to be shared. Once everything is saved, you should now see an option labeled Copy Invitation. Click on this button. By doing so, Zoom will copy all the vital details of your meeting to your clipboard. This includes the meeting link, ID, passcode, and dial-in information, all crucial elements that the participants will need. Finally, click on Copy Meeting Invitation to ensure that your invite is now ready to be shared. This step completes the process and equips you with all the necessary details in one ready-to-use format. You can now paste this invitation into an email, chat, or any other platform you use to communicate with your invitees. A simple Ctrl+V or Command+V will paste the invitation wherever you need it. Remember to personalize your message if needed to give your attendees context about the meeting. And there you have it, a straightforward way to copy a Zoom meeting invite. This process will help you manage your virtual meetings with ease. Sharing invitations accurately ensures everyone has the correct information to join, minimizing confusion and setting your meeting up for success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to guides just like this one.